Police in Indonesia have arrested a man they suspect was smuggling rare birds inside plastic bottles. The man was allegedly caught carrying the live birds on a passenger ship near the city of Surabaya. They included 21 yellow-crested cockatoos, which are listed as endangered. They were kept inside bottles to stop them from flapping. The birds are known to sell through legal channels for as much as £1, $1.500 each. Customs officials said the haul also included an unspecified number of green parrots. The exact number of yellow-crested cockatoos in the wild is not known, but the International Union for Conservation of Nature placed it on their critically endangered list. BirdLife, a nature conservation group, say the birds' numbers are dropping due to unsustainable trapping for the cage bird trade. In 2013, 2 Indonesian military employees were given a warning after they were found to be running a bird smuggling ring on board a military aircraft. Bags containing rare birds were found when the plane refueled in Australia.